Good morning. It's Thursday, April 17th, 2025, 10:38 a.m. I know I'm late this morning. I got up and I don't know, I was looking for something in a box, and somehow or another I spent a couple of hours emptying boxes. Still have a lot more to go, but in the course of things, I discovered that I have more than 3 dozen coffee mugs. No one needs 3 dozen coffee mugs. So I am going to have to go through the heart-rending procedure of culling out mugs that I don't need 3 dozen. I don't have room for 3 dozen. Oh, people find it hard to get rid of sentimental items, and a lot of those have memories for me, but I've got to be practical. Anyhow, so yesterday, remember, I had malted milk in my coffee. Well, this morning, I am going to have, I think it was Gail that suggested, why not go ahead and put some chocolate. Here's some Nespresso chocolate. And why not put some chocolate? So I've got some heated oat milk here in one of the mugs that I discovered in a box. So I'm just going to stir the chocolate up. And I'm going to tell you something about a change in Nespresso packaging. So I decided this morning to have Arpeggio, nice purple capsule. It's got chocolatey notes to it. But I also have the Arpeggio decaf. And see, it's got the red dot at the bottom and red around the rim. Well, I happened to get a sample. Whenever you order, they send samples also. So I got a sample and it said decaf. Well, I saw it's got red here, but look, on the bottom, it's kind of even hard to show. I found it a little bit difficult to see on this purple. It says decaffeinado, okay? But it's in red and it's hard to read on the purple. But at least they kept that red stripe so you can know that it's decaf. Okay, I'm going to run this as an espresso. That's how it's meant to be run. And, I need to put in the malted milk. Okay. I've done it this way in the past and ended up with way too much in there. Okay, so there's that. Now, normally I put malted milk into cold liquid. I hope it'll dissolve okay in this hot oat milk. You can see that, there's some chocolate I need to kind of mix in. So when I was growing up, people would use milk and malted, good stuff, malted milk. And golly, I don't know what else they added to it to make a chocolate malt ice cream. I don't know. I never made one. If I had one, my mother made it, or I got it at the local luncheonette, which is kind of like a soda fountain. Now, I've got some sweetener standing by just in case. Oh, Sandy, hey, thanks for joining in this morning. But I'm going to taste this first before I put the coffee in. Oh, that's really tasty. Wow, I like it. But let's go ahead. There we go. Espresso button. Okay, so I'm adding the Arpeggio, which has chocolatey notes to it. And we shall see what happens here. Okay. Alrighty. Smells nice. Oh, golly, you know what? That's very good. Oh, should I add sweetener? All right, I have like a half a packet left from yesterday. I'm gonna just dump that in. Alrighty, we'll see how this is now. Oh my gosh. This is so delicious. Oh my goodness. Now, it's not too sweet. You could actually even eat it with something sweet and it would be okay. Very often when you have a very sweet coffee drink, eating something sweet along with it is not that pleasant. Usually you'd want something that's not so sweet. Oh, so Sandy's asking, what's my drink today? I'll just go over it again for those of you who came in late. I've got hot oat milk, a square of Nespresso dark chocolate, malted milk, Arpeggio espresso, and half a packet of Splenda. And it is delicious. I'm not going to have anything to eat with it this morning because during the night I set up my slow cooker to cook, what was it, sausage and sweet potato hash. And it was done this morning when I woke up and I had some of that. So yeah, that was yum. And I'm just gonna sit and drink my coffee now and watch the birds since I've got a bird feeder up and there's baby birds in the bush outside. Well, listen, I'll talk to you later. I hope you have a wonderful day. And wow, this is good stuff. Yummy.